In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most commonly prescribed acid-reducing medicines in the world, omeprazole. Stay tuned to learn its uses, how it works, side effects, and some must-know precautions. What is omeprazole? Omeprazole is a medicine that belongs to a class of drugs called Proton Pump Inhibitors, or PPIs. It works by reducing the amount of acid your stomach makes. The less acid, the less irritation, and the better your stomach lining can heal. Why is omeprazole used? Doctors prescribe omeprazole for several conditions, including: first, gastroesophageal reflux disease (GERD), where stomach acid flows back into the food pipe. Second, peptic ulcers _ painful sores inside your stomach. Third, Zollinger-Ellison Syndrome, a rare condition with excessive acid production. Fourth, protection from NSAIDs, like ibuprofen, which can damage your stomach lining. How does omeprazole work? In your stomach, there's a structure called the proton pump. It helps produce acid. Omeprazole blocks this pump, reducing acid secretion by up to 90% over 24 hours. It doesn't work instantly but builds up over a few days for maximum effect. How to take omeprazole correctly. Take it before a meal, preferably breakfast. Swallow it whole. Don't chew or crush. Usually taken once a day, but your doctor may recommend twice daily in severe cases. It may take a few days to feel the full effect, so don't stop suddenly. Side effects of omeprazole. While omeprazole is generally safe, some people may experience headache, nausea, diarrhea or constipation, bloating or gas. Long-term use can cause vitamin B12 deficiency, magnesium deficiency, increased risk of bone fractures. Kidney issues rare. Always follow your doctor's advice and never use it longer than needed. Natural tips to reduce acid alongside omeprazole. Avoid spicy, fatty foods. Don't lie down right after eating. Lose weight if needed. Eat smaller meals. Stop smoking and limit alcohol. Omeprazole is a powerful tool for acid control, but like any medicine, it should be used wisely.